If you want your images to stand out in search engines so that your content reaches more people, you must select good alt texts. These must be clean, without too many symbols or dashes because, otherwise, they will be invisible in Google. However, if you start searching and editing the alt text of all your images, it will probably take you many hours or even days. Therefore, we want to show you a super simple and quick way to find and edit the alt text of all your images to remove hyphens and symbols using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you'll be able to edit hundreds of files at once, and your server will not be overloaded because the plugin applies the changes in batches. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Once you have installed and opened our plugin, we'll look for all the images to update. We'll do this since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc., and it is necessary to search only for the images, since they will be what we will edit. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be contains. Now we'll enter image as the value. Finally, run the search to bring up all the images we have on our site. Once all the images have been filtered, let's set the same alt text for all of them. For this, open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the result from our search. Then, look for the field alt text, which is the field we want to edit. Select the replace edit type. Enter the hyphen or symbol that you want to remove here. And just insert a space here. Finally, execute. Now, you just need to wait until the plugin finishes applying all the changes, and you'll be done. What could have taken you hours, will take you only minutes with the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.